For anyone facing motherboard issues with their HP 15DY series laptop, finding a reliable replacement is crucial. This video takes a look at the L63559-001, L63559-501, and L63559-601, which are compatible spare parts designed for the HP 15DY series. Specifically, these motherboards are built to work with the Intel Core i5-8265U processor, a 1.6 GHz CPU with the SRF-FX designation. The integrated CPU socket ensures a secure and efficient connection for the processor, which is essential for optimal performance. This particular motherboard is confirmed to be compatible with models like the HP 15 DY001 3DX and 15 DY001 8CA series, offering a direct replacement solution for these specific laptops. One of the key features is its support for DDR4 RAM. DDR4 memory technology provides faster data transfer rates and improved overall system responsiveness compared to older standards. This is a significant advantage for multitasking, running demanding applications, and ensuring a smooth user experience. When considering a motherboard replacement, compatibility is paramount. The L63559-001 series is designed as a direct replacement, minimizing the risk of installation issues or performance bottlenecks. It's always recommended to double-check your specific laptop model and compare it with the compatible devices listed to ensure a perfect fit. While this is a generic branded replacement part, it offers a cost-effective solution compared to sourcing an original HP motherboard. The integrated Intel Core i5-8265U processor provides a balance of power and efficiency suitable for everyday tasks, office work, and light content creation. The 1.6 GHz base clock speed, combined with turbo boost technology, allows the processor to handle more demanding workloads when needed. The motherboard support for SRF-FX processors guarantees that it's specifically engineered for this generation of Intel Core i5 CPUs. This ensures proper voltage regulation, thermal management, and overall system stability. Replacing a laptop motherboard can be a complex task, and it's often recommended to seek professional assistance if you're not comfortable with disassembling and reassembling electronic devices. However, for experienced users, this replacement part offers a viable solution to revive a malfunctioning HP 15DY series laptop. In summary, the L63559-001, L63559-501, and L63559-601 motherboard replacement is a compatible and functional option for HP 15DY series laptops utilizing the Intel Core i5-8265U processor. Its DDR4 RAM support and compatibility with specific HP models make it a worthwhile consideration for those looking to repair their laptops.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.